How to turn off call forwarding on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Supplementary Services. Now wait for a few seconds. Then tap on Call Forwarding. After that, tap on one of the call forwarding options. So here I'm going to choose Always Forward. And then tap on Turn Off. Okay, now you can do the same for forward when busy. You can cancel that. Just going to tap on Turn Off. So go down to each one of these settings and double check and turn off any call forwarding settings that you want to remove. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.